Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC broke above the breakout point, you could say, here at 79 cents, also sparked by the positive news around the SSC and XRP. So the fact that XRP is not a security, which obviously is beneficial for the entire altcoin sector as it seems. So especially MATIC, which was also called security, as far as I remember. And yeah, at the moment, I count this now primarily due to the strength of this as a larger leading diagonal. It's still corrective of the lows. Yeah, even here the movements here, you can see that 3-wave move up. And so far, MATIC is just following the trend. It hadn't given us any indication of a drop. So it's just, it did only show shallow retracements and now even broke to the upside of that ascending wedge. Sometimes these ascending wedge breakouts to the upside, they are rare, but when they happen, things can go parabolic, and it broke above the horizontal breakout point indicated at 79 cents. It now seems likely that price reaches this next horizontal target or retracement area, well, resistance area. You know, we talked about that before, basically a neckline for a potential inverse head and shoulders which could develop here overall. Yeah. What I'm unsure about is this third wave. I mean, we will see when it finishes. I will make you aware when I see that. I mean, it could happen at any point, right? And then we could get a 4 and a 5, and it is going to be this wave 2, which is then going to be the right shoulder, basically. I shouldn't really lift that support area up. I can only really have it here. So again, this is a moving target, moving support area for the wave 2 pullback when it occurs. So far it hasn't started yet, and the wave 1 seems to be still running. And again, it's now getting a bit too strong for counting this as a corrective move. Again, it's still only a 3-wave move up, but due to the size of the move, I count that primarily as a leading diagonal. Not the best structure, but nevertheless, it followed our trend reversal area here. And as soon as we have a wave 1 in place and can see the wave 2 pullback, and I will constantly adjust this support area to make it relevant for the wave 2 pullback, because this is basically the target if the wave 2 occurs, and it is measured against the latest high. So if we push any higher, which we likely will, then I will have to adjust that with it. And then we have a fairly confident 1-2-1-2 setup. So on the MATIC chart, we're still tracking a bullish scenario. So we had here the 1A overshooting B wave, wave C into the trend reversal area in a wave 2. And then this here could be another 5-wave move up in a wave 1 and come down in the wave 2. This is how I see it at the moment. Again, we need to be patient for that wave 2. Doesn't mean, of course, you have to wait with a trade until that wave, you have to wait for that wave 2. No, you can trade how you want, but just these are the parameters that you can use for your strategy. I mean, this was an obvious pullback entry point. When the next one comes, then that could be the next pullback entry point, or any breakout traders could have used here the breakout trend line indicated. But yeah, I think it's rallied now significantly. So I think the next pullback trade will be that wave 2 pullback, which obviously we have to wait for. Yeah, we have to wait for, and it hasn't started yet. Yeah, so I think it has a good chance now to move into that sort of 90-cent region now, and the horizontal resistance level here at 94 cents is likely going to be the next major resistance point. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.